Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 5.3. Now let us see what is there in question number 5. You have to measure the angle. There are two figures are given, so you have to measure the angle and you have to write it. So for this you have to use the protractor. So I will just give you the measurements. Please see to it that use the protractor to find the angles. So I'm giving you the answers. So what is written? Measure of angle A. Measure of angle A. Now measure of angle A would be equivalent to 40 degree. Please use protractor to get the answer. And what is the second option? Second question given. There's another figure is given. Again you have to use protractor to measure the angle. So the right measure of angle B would be around 68 degree. Okay, so please see to it that you should in the first case it should come 40 degree, and in the second case it should come 68 degree. Now same thing you have to do it for question number 6 also. In question number 6 also some figures are given. Now you have to measure the angle and then you have to say that which angle is greater than whose. Fine. So I'm just giving you the measure of the first figure. So measure of the first figure, and this would be equals to, the measure of the first figure would be equivalent to 45 degree. Be very careful and check whether 45 degree is coming or not, and then you are supposed to measure the second figure. So measure of the second figure, and the angle will measure as 55 degree. Fine. Now you have to say that second figure is greater or first figure. Obviously you will write second figure is greater. It's as simple as this. Okay students, now let's move on to question number 7. So in question number 7 we have some fill in the blanks. I'm not going to write the whole sentence, but a little part of all the blanks I will write. Fill in the blanks I will write. So what is there in sum number A? An angle whose measure is less than angle. You have to write name the angle, and what information is given about the angle? That it should be less than 90 degree. So what is the name of that angle which is less than 90 degree? It is acute angle. It is acute angle. Now this is number A. Now what about B? B is, you have to again name an angle, and this time they have said you have to name that angle which is greater than 90 degree. So greater than 90 degree are called obtuse angle. Sorry. Okay, so number C. In number C, what you have? An angle whose measure is the sum of the measure of two right angles. The angle whose measures is the sum of measures of two right angles. That means you have to name an angle. Whose measure is 90 degree plus 90 degree, and this is what? 180 degree. So tell me the angle which measures exactly 180 degree. It is straight angle, isn't it? So easy. Now let's move on to sum number D. Now in sum number D, what we have to say? When the sum of the measure of the two angle is that of a right angle. That means suppose if two right angles, suppose first angle plus second angle. Okay, if this two angle if you add it, then the answer is coming 90 degree. Okay, so this is what they are saying. When the sum of the measures of the two angle is that of a right angle triangle, the sum of the two angle is when 90 degree. What is the measure of each angle? So what type of angle you can name this two angle as? So you can name both the angle as acute angle, because we know that what is an acute angle? The angle which is less than 90 degree. So the angle cannot be obtuse because it cannot be more than 90, because the sum, if you add this two sum, then only the 90 is coming. So all the two angles are the two angles would be what? So each one of them would be acute angle. Each one of them would be acute angle. Okay, so it's a very interesting question. Now let's see what is there in the last question of this today's session. When the sum of the measure of the two angle is that of a straight angle. Now again see, first angle plus second angle. If you add this two angle, then 180 degree is coming. Now they have asked if one of them is acute. Suppose if this is acute angle means suppose the measure of the first angle is less than 90 degree. So obviously the measure of the second angle would be more than 90 degree, and that will be what? More than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, so in that way this would be obtuse angle. So your answer is obtuse angle, students. Okay, I hope all of you have understood question number 5, 6 and 7. So that's it for today's session. Thank you all of you. God bless you all and take care.